Once you have identified potential careers, the next step is to do some research to help you narrow down your options. Let's start by discovering the minimum education required for that career. Do you need an associate degree, a bachelor's degree, a high school diploma? If higher education is required, you will need to identify what colleges or educational institutions offer your program of study. If you already have a college degree and are seeking a career change, you can research what other jobs you could do with your existing degree and experience. The Occupational Outlook Handbook is a great resource to begin your research. It's available in print at your local library or for free online. After you have gathered information on the education requirements, it's time to make a decision on which career path to follow. Here are 5 steps to help break down the decision-making process. 1. Define your goal. Ask yourself what you are trying to decide, keeping in mind your strengths, weaknesses, skills, values, and interests. 2. Know your alternatives. Identify several options that can be used to define your goal. 3. Gather information. 4. Consider the consequences. Evaluate the pros and cons of each alternative. 5. Create a plan of action. List the steps needed to achieve your goal. Breaking down the decision-making process into manageable steps can help make choosing a career path less stressful. Another tool to help you is goal setting. Start by asking yourself what you want to achieve in your career. Where do you want to end up? How do you want to get there? Break down your goals into short-term, which take 1 to 2 years to complete, and long-term, which usually take 3 to 5 years to achieve. The clearer you are about the steps or objectives, the more likely you will achieve your goals. When setting goals, many people use the SMART method. SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-based. Specific. Your goal should identify a specific action or event that will take place. Measurable. You want to see the change occur. Attainable. The goal should challenge you, but also be achievable. Realistic. You should have the actual ability to achieve the goal. Time-based. State the time period in which your goal will be accomplished. Write out your career and education goals and the action steps needed to reach the goals. Keep these as a reference to monitor your progress and adjust as necessary. Ready for a recap? Research the educational requirements for the careers that interest you. Use the decision-making process to decide on a career path. See SMART goals and create a plan. For more career and job search tools, visit www.riosalado.edu/counseling.